Welcome to the YCB7LE-63Y Residual Current Circuit Breaker Installation, Commissioning, and Operation Video Guide. Before starting, disconnect the power and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. We'll need the following tools: wire strippers, crimping pliers, wires that meet the required specifications, terminals, an electric screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Before beginning installation, read the user manual carefully, confirm that the breaker ratings and requirements meet the intended operating conditions, and select a suitable mounting position. Installation tip: hook the upper part of the breaker onto the rail. Use a screwdriver to release the lower latch. Press the breaker down onto the rail. Once seated, restore the latch to lock it in place. To remove the breaker, use a screwdriver to release the lower latch. Lift the lower end clear of the rail, then lift upward to remove. Before starting the wiring, select wires with a cross-section suitable for the product's rated current. Use a wire stripper to carefully remove 11-13 mm of insulation from the copper conductor to expose the proper length. Then use a crimping tool to firmly crimp the terminals, ensuring a reliable connection. Finally, tighten the wiring with an electric screwdriver, set to the specified torque value to ensure a stable and safe connection. Follow the instructions or product label to correctly connect the line and load terminals. The line terminal connects to the power supply. The load terminal connects to the load circuit. When installing YCB7LE-63Y in a junction box, strictly follow the electrical wiring diagram to ensure each connection point is correct and secure. During wiring, always comply with local electrical regulations and standards. Before energizing, check that the handle operates smoothly without obstruction. After power is applied, use a multimeter to perform continuity, open-close tests and confirm proper operation. With the breaker open, line to neutral voltage is about 230 V. Load to neutral voltage is below 20 V. When closed, load to neutral voltage is about 230 V. After opening again, it drops below 20 V. Press the RCD test button. The breaker should open automatically. If you encounter problems, refer to the fault troubleshooting guide for diagnostics and solutions to common issues. Visit our official website or follow our social media accounts.